Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this will be the weekly analysis. It's a new series I'm starting where I review all the trades I've taken the previous week. The reason I'm doing this is simple. Feedback is very important when you're trading. So it helps you make your decisions better in future trades, and it also tells where your mistakes were. So I'll be reviewing each of my trades for this week and see what I can do better next time. So let's get started. So on Monday, we traded in mid cap and we made around 2 lakhs, which was a good trade. So let's see what we did right. So the market opened at the support here. So we were patient enough to wait till the resistance, and then we took a trade somewhere here and the market fell. We also booked profits pretty quickly before the market reversed, so somewhere around here. So what we learned from this trade is be patient, wait for your levels, and then take up the trade. So we don't really learn much in profits. Let's move on. Next Tuesday, we lost 7K. I made a live trading video about this. So let's move on. All right, so Tuesday is here. Yeah, so I think we shorted this, right? If you're not wrong. So Fin Nifty CE, yeah, we shorted the trade here. I think we shorted it at the market open itself. So this is a resistance. And I think that the moment we saw this red candle, we took a trade. This is really unexpected because the market was sort of in a zigzag way. So anyone who shorted the market here, their stop loss probably got hit here. And anyone who went long here, like in this candle, probably got their stop loss hit in this candle. So it was a bit of a tricky market. But then the market boomed again. So I'm not really sure what we can learn from this because there are, in some cases, there are good losses. What we can learn is that we trailed our stop loss once, so we didn't lose a lot of money because technically the market was against our direction. And maybe the second thing is we didn't really go with the trend of the uh, index, because if you see the overall trend is upside. We just saw for a shorting opportunity here and we took it. But we, especially at the beginning of the market, since we hold the trade from the start of the market till the end of the market and we don't place any other trades, we just manage one trade. I think I should have been more aware of the overall trend. So that's one mistake from my side. So I probably should have waited for this very good support here and then took the trade in this green candle or something. So that's one more thing. Let's just note down all these points. So the first point was we were patient and waited for the important level mid cap in Fin Nifty trail stop loss. Good. Go with the overall direction of the market. All right, let's move on. Um, so Fin Nifty is done. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty again, we had a loss, a break even. This was kind of a bad thing from our side. The reason is simple. Usually, I already know my mistake. It's not really a technical mistake, but let's just go through the chart anyways. So we took a long trade. So Wednesday. Yeah, I'm not really sure where we took the long trade. Oh yeah, here's the I probably waited for this breakout and then I took a trade somewhere here and then the market fell, which is fine. But the main thing, so this technically I'm wrong, but that's okay because the market was sideways most of the time and we did make a around 1.6 lakhs. But where I made a mistake was I didn't really trail my stop loss. So for Bank Nifty, I didn't really trail stop loss to when it hit 75% of my profit. So usually I trail my stop loss when it hits 75% of my profit, and I didn't do it because I wanted to give space for the market, but I should have done that. So that's the mistake I had in Bank Nifty. Let's move on to Nifty. Yeah, the market this week was pretty sideways. I mean, it was like a zigzag movement, which is not good for option sellers, but it's fine. We still made decent enough money. Anyways, for Nifty, yeah, the so we did reach 90% of our profit, if I remember. I made a live trading video for this also. We did reach 90% of our profit and our stop loss hit in this candle. And then the market again went up. So we did take a PE trade, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, we did take a long position and our stop loss hit in this candle. One mistake I did was we did reach 90% of our profit and I sort of made a GTT order, but that's one mistake I made. So I shouldn't probably do GTT orders. I should do like live market orders because GTT orders take time. So it's like a alert kind of thing. So once the GTT order triggers, then the order is placed. But in the other hand, when an order is live, the order is already placed, so it's just that the order should execute. So basically in GTT order, there's two steps, and in a normal order, there's one step. So I should have put a GTT, sorry, I should have put a normal order. So that's something uh, which is important. So always put normal order. And all these mistakes are just for me, and I'm sure some of them might help you guys. Um, Maybe not all of them, but some of them might. I'm not really going to be unrealistic and say, oh, I should have exited here, nothing like that. I'm just going to be realistic on the way I trade and tell what things I can improve. Yeah. All right, so let's move on to Sensex. Sensex was a pretty, I think I didn't make any major mistake. Yeah, Sensex we booked around 70K, I think 69,000. Yeah. Um I'm not really sure. So this is my 75% stop loss. So in the other trade, I should have earned this much, but I didn't trail the stop loss. Anyway, so in Sensex, I'm not really sure. I think I had a good entry. I was very patient about my entry, and what did we take? We took a C. So we went short in the market. Yeah, I remember now. We waited for a pullback and we went short in this candle. So yeah, I think the entry is pretty good. We did expect the market to come like all the way down here, but it didn't. It went sideways, and I think here is where our stop loss hit. So I think based on my system, it's fine. I mean, overall, I would have made money, but I'm more comfortable in trailing my stop losses rather than making 2 lakhs every time. I'm more comfortable in trailing it so that I want to reduce my losses so that when I make profits, I can make it in a big way, right? So that's my system. So I don't see anything wrong with this. So Sensex was a good trade. So yeah, guys, this was the weekly analysis of my trades. I hope some of these points help you guys out, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.